Good morning, everybody. Mike again. Usually I start out by saying New York barbecue guys, but today I want to say this is Mike from Own the Fire, right? Because I talked about New York barbecue guys a lot, and it started with a couple of guys hanging around my barbecue. But as I got into my story, what I used to do was I was a chef, and then I got into marketing. And then I got into a little bit of manufacturing, and I started by building the tools that I wanted to cook on, right? And one thing had in common, everything was around this right here, this fire. And you know, what started as a spark, New York barbecue guys, has evolved into the flames, which is owning the fire. So we're gonna do some amazing content, but what I'm gonna also do is get into a lot more of my culinary background. I'm gonna do dishes that aren't just barbecue. I'm gonna do dishes that aren't just live fire cooking, but I'm gonna combine the best of the inside and bring it outside. I'm gonna do lobster dishes that'll blow your mind. I'm talking a dish that was on the best thing I ever ate, because that's where I was the chef of. So I know and have skills that you will love, and you'll love to watch and follow along, and we're gonna do some great content, and we're gonna still do all the great food. I got my big smoker in the backyard. I got my Santa Maria. I'm making a new little grill for the spring. I have some great ideas for it, a great vision. We got the barbecue table. We're gonna do the lobster dish right here outside, so you can see it in all its glory. And I just want to thank everybody for the continued support and helping me grow my channel, and keep watching, keep liking, keep sharing, keep commenting. That's what it's all about. I love you, family. Crafted in smoke, forged in fire. We own the fire.